You'll be able to achieve real estate development through a bachelor's degree from a number of universities who run real estate development programs. Not all real estate developers have gone through those programs, but you're seeing more and more that it is a requirement for real estate development. I did not go through a real estate development bachelor program. I did get my degree in business management and grew into the real estate side. My name is Ron Kluwer. I serve as the Illinois Market President for Gorman & Company, working on real estate development projects all across the state of Illinois. I became involved in this career really by accident. I think as you look at most affordable housing developers, they don't make a decision in school or at some point in life to say, I aspire to be an affordable housing developer. But I think as you really start to work through a career and an interest in real estate, the reward of being an affordable housing developer is significant. And so Gorman & Company is a wonderful company that really invests in community, and that's one of the things that really drew me to the company. Looking at our focus on community development, not just real estate development, because there is a difference. Real estate development, you focus on the bricks and mortar, the bricks and sticks, as we say. Community development, you look at how is that property, that project, going to fit into the greater context of a community. And so that way, you're designing it, you're operating it, so it gives back and it creates value to the people who either live there or who visit there. So a place like the hotel here where we're at today, how does this create opportunity within a community like Rockford? So that's the attractive part of real estate development and community development, because it's not just about building a building, but it's about designing change and providing value. Real estate development requires a lot of knowledge of finances, requires a great deal of work across various networks. So working with bankers, working with architects, contractors, community members, government officials. At the end of the day, trying to get a real estate development done is not an individual's work, it's really a community's work. And so having these relationships with all these individuals who you're working with to aspire to get a project done, actually getting the project done is important. So great people skills, the ability to talk to various people, the ability to understand the community's needs. So a lot of data analysis in the process, financial analysis. As I said, we do a great deal of work with our architects and with our urban planners to make sure that whatever we create fits the context of community. So I think the value of really doing real estate development well is truly understanding a community's needs and being able to network with people and build relationships. There are a number of ways to get started in real estate. You can start in real estate as a leasing agent, as a property manager, as an asset manager. Each of those are going to require a different level of education. And so usually a leasing agent is the least amount of education required, high school diploma. You're able to come in, work with residents who may want to lease an apartment, and then from there, if you're looking at, well, I'd like to do more than leasing, either you can grow from leasing into property management, or if you move through a real estate development or real estate operations class setting and get your degree there, you're able to come in as either a property manager, an asset manager, or a full-blown real estate developer if you've gone through all the classes and achieved your bachelor's degree. The complementary education that I would share would be important is understanding architects and how they work in the context of design, which also means urban planning. So those are great minors to work along a real estate development career.